In this world of wireless headphones and the cloud storage, the question over here is, are the ports still relevant? You bet me, they still are. The right set of ports can save you from a messy desk and dozens of different adapters. Today, we are going to dimensify every port on your laptop and showing you why they still matters in 2025. So this side Shubham here. You're watching UnZip Tech. Let's upgrade and unzip the tech together. Let's start with the basics. The ports on your laptop are the way how it connects with the outside world, and picking the correct one is crucial for versatility. First, the familiar USB-A port, the classic rectangular one. It is a still common or a standard design for the mouse, keyboard and the pen drives. Now, it is the sign that your laptop is ready for the old accessories. Next, the most important port on any modern laptop, the USB-C tiny like port. This tiny oval-like shape is really a powerhouse. It can be used for charging your laptops, transferring data at high speed, and even connecting your monitor. It is the actual future, and having multiple USB-C port is a huge plus advantage. Now, let's talk about something more even better than this. That is the Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt uses the same USB-C shape, but is more faster than this one. It is way much essential for the people who want to connect the high-end monitors, external graphic cards, or super fast storage drives. If you see the lightning bolt USB-C logo next to the USB-C port, then you know it is the Thunderbolt port. And finally, the HDMI port. This port is a dedicated way to connect the monitor to your laptop or a projector and even TV. I know many laptops can do this thing through the USB-C as well, but an HDMI port is still more convenient and is a must-have port for your presentations and your home theater setups. Now that we have talked about the direct connectivity, the wired one, let's talk about something that we call as the wireless connectivity. Make sure your new laptops has Wi-Fi 6 or at least Wi-Fi 6E. This is a huge step up in speed and stability, especially if you are in a busy home network. And even for accessories like the headphones and mic, look for Bluetooth 5.3 for better performance and even more better power efficiency. So the takeaway is very simple. Don't buy a laptop with just a single port. You know who I am talking about. Look for a mixture of at least one USB-C and a classical USB-A port. For power users, make sure you have a Thunderbolt and a HDMI. A good mixture of all these ports will really save you from a world of dongles. We have now covered the heart, the muscle, the eyes, and the connectivity of your computer. But there is more than this for a good laptop. In our next video, we'll talk about the thing which you can't even find on the spec sheet: the battery life, keyboard quality, and the build material of your laptop. This is the part that makes your daily life more better. So thank you for watching till the end. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, and click the bell icon, and share this with anyone you know who needs help choosing the next laptop. So that's it for today. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.